morning we slept here and our tent was here. So we just woke up and kept everything inside. The tent was kept here, so we packed everything inside and everyone is getting ready. We have a very good, toilet here and also water is also okay. Everyone is getting ready. Resh is working here and it's a beautiful place, guys. In the morning we can see, what we didn't see in the night. Oh, nice. I want to see you guys getting ready. I think it's, we need to hurry up and start our journey or else we'll be late again. Okay guys, it's morning. We all got freshed up and it's a beautiful scene here.
Yes, with
guys.
Class. She have class.
She have
today,
class,
started,
guys. Yes guys, so we are heading to Visakhapatnam. So we almost reached Guntur. So where is this place, bro? Chilakaluru is this place. There's a lot of songs written on this place, right? Chilakaluru. Never craving for idli.
Leo wants masala dosha.
Yes, dosha.
Okay,
Bro,
obviously
can you stop describing food? Yeah. Guys, Andhra is known for, agriculture. Most of the 62% of the population is involved in agriculture. And that much, yeah.
Mostly it's rice. It's on Guntur. We reached. Oh,
Okay, guys. This is the main place of Guntur. Guys, talking about Guntur. Guntur is known for, Guntur Mirchi. Look at it. And Rix is from Guntur, guys, and she everything about Guntur.
Did you remember this place like?
Yeah, I know. While traveling in the bus, this is the spot.
Guys, there is a small, beautiful temple. The color is grey and golden color. I like it. Wow, there is another temple here, which is white. Which temple is this, Drix? Which temple is this?
Let me search.
Okay.
Really?
I would
accept that.
go outside at all, man. I'll stay in home and
She
do
didn't
nothing.
even know that Andhra has greenery.
Bro,
The thing is, I can say one thing about Drix. In every dishes, she added more chili powder. I never seen such person.
Rio is super pissed about that.
I never used that much chili powder in any
she got
dishes.
addicted to that.
And nowadays, I also slowly going into that pattern.
Vijayawada is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Vijayawada is just beside Amaravati, actually adjacent to Amaravati. So this is a kind of hub capital for Andhra Pradesh after
It's
division.
not Amravati. Capital.
Actually, it was Vijayawada. Amaravati is a part of Vijayawada, so it's kind of the same thing. So Amaravati was later declared as capital, but it was first Vijayawada. And we have a lot of developments going on. You can see a lot of buildings, a lot of new, companies, a lot of everything.
Yeah, there are a lot of
A lot of construction work is
And
going
we
on.
also have NID here, National Institute of Design.
okay.
So NID in Vijayawada from Andhra Pradesh. So we don't have NIDs much. We just have some 7, 8. And one of that we have in Vijayawada. I just know this when I was preparing for this.
Actually, when I was interested in NID,
Yeah.
I was
Yeah,
preparing.
because we don't have NIFT in Andhra Pradesh after division. Before it used to be in Hyderabad, but after division it's Telangana. So they were planning in Vizag. So it's not yet started, but plans are still on there.
Oh, Vizag.
So we'll be having.
So NIFT in Andhra.
Vizag lift.
I think before it came, never would have gone there. Never would have gone there.
No. But still, top like branches are always there. Even though we start Nift, it will be like somewhere at the bottom. Bangalore will be always at top 3 and also. Yeah, it will take time to reach that. quality.
but the colleges need to start, right?
Topic to Vijayawada to Italy to
Where is the topic going? Morning.
Yes, full drive.
Guys, he was driving the whole night. I'm sitting backwards. I should sit properly.
He was working the night. When we were sleeping, he was guarding us in. He was parallelly working and all that stuff. So yeah, he's
Yes.
a little tired.
He's very much tired. In the morning, he was like very much dozed off, guys.
Might be I can find some
Idli
carrots
rasam,
in
idli
idli,
sambar.
something, some types of idli this time. I'm gonna explore all those things.
Is it
for
like
sure.
curd idli, something like that? It's there? Like idli in
Yeah,
curd.
we have sambar idli, we have normal idli. There is no curd idli, there is curd vada. Curd vada.
No, no,
Okay.
oh, yeah.
Chicken idli is there?
I
should be good.
Chicken stuffed chicken inside.
Guys, we reached Mangalgiri. Wow.
Is known for handloom
Saris.
Oh, nice.
and there are
Nice.
lot of temples.
Talking about Andhra Pradesh, my friend Rix is very much excited. You know, very much energy, guys. You know, by seeing them, we are getting that much, you know, excitement to see more about Andhra Pradesh. Guys, there is another hill which is close to us. Oh my God, it is cut. Oh shit, it's cut like a shawarma roll, like that. And I think the other side of the hill is really cut into like this. I don't know why it's cut. Godavari?
It's a part of Godavari.
Not Godavari.
Okay, I got
Passed
messed
through
up.
Godavari when we reached Rajahmundry, and it's a huge bridge.
Prakasham Bharat.
It's a huge bridge and it has a very good view.
Sorry.
Yes.
Okay, sorry.
So you can see that view when you reach that bridge in Rajahmundry.
We'll see.
And yeah, once we reach there is one more surprise for us. Okay.
Really? Guys, this is truck lay-by. So you guys can see there's a lot of trucks here. In the previous episode we showed you guys where the trucks overnight they halt and see. I think this is Guntur, so there's a lot of exports happening like mirchis and lot more. So this is the place where I think we see such lot of trucks in this place area. Guys, we are stuck in traffic because we are going through a bridge after this, so we have to travel a little bit more, then we'll reach Krishna river there. So it is a very big bridge. Wow guys, it's slowly releasing the traffic. Little by little bit only we are moving. That much is there.
Hey guys.
It's written.
Yeah.
Guys, in the sides it's written I love Amravati. Amravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh.
So we'll see a lot of buildings here, lot of.
Guys, it's written welcome to Vijayawada on the side. Wow! Wow!
What a rhyming.
Yeah, city of victory. Guys, we reached the Krishna river.
Yes.
Wow!
This is the bridge.
Guys, this is the Krishna Durga bridge. This is a very old bridge, guys. Guys, this bridge is called Krishna Durga Varahi. This connects Krishna district and Guntur district. Guntur district is over there and Krishna district is over here. This is actually very long bridge, and there is two ways to this bridge. You can see the other side there is opposite, so this is only one way, guys. There is two bridges, Krishna Varahi, Varadi. Mix is correcting me, it's Varadi. Guys, it's so beautiful. It's actually very big river, right? Krishna river. Yeah. Wow, guys, beautiful. really good, guys. We all open the, windshield, and it's really beautiful. In the sides, this is the walking area, guys. Yeah, there is small pots are kept here. Guys, beautiful river, guys. If you guys can see this. Wow. Guys, there is pigs and buffaloes there. Wow. It's like a small, small like forest area over there with a lake and all. Guys, we just finished the Krishna Varadi bridge. This is a part of NH16. So we reached Vijayawada. This is the entrance of Vijayawada. Wow, guys. So we are entering Vijayawada. You can see a view. So guys, we are going to Undavali Caves. It is a very old cave as per Drix told.
Drix only informed us this.
Drix informed. So we are going there.
This is some old construction, guys, looking so aesthetic, so good. I think it's a park. Yeah, it's a park.
So beautiful, guys. This is kind of a dam, right? Yeah. Guys, this is kind of a dam here. Yeah. A small. Guys, Namma Amaravati. Bro, I'm loving Andhra Pradesh, guys. It's a beautiful visual on this side of the road. There is a bridge over there. Yeah, it looks so busy, guys. You can see a close look of Krishna Barrage over here. Wow. Guys, close look of Krishna Barrage. Beautiful. Okay, guys, we are on top of that bridge that I showed you. This is Prakasham Barrage. Guys, there is people around here came for sightseeing. Wow, man, this is so beautiful. Yeah, guys, there's a lot of flags here.
Water.
The sides there are flags on top of this, and there is this hill and Prakasham Barrage, guys. Yeah. Guys, look at the water flowing here. Guys, that is a railway over there. So goods trains are going. So that you can see that, right? Goods train is going. And there is that temple over there, and the steps are there for the, yeah. This is Krishna River, guys. Wow, this is one of the biggest rivers that is flowing through Andhra, all over Andhra. Wow, beautiful. Wow, beautiful. Hi. Yeah, this hill is so beautiful, guys. Guys, this is on the left side, the bridge, and the bridge is going. And in the right side, you can see the mountain. Bro, look at that. So beautiful. We just finished Prakasham Barrage, and there is this really huge, humongous hill here. Very much beautiful, guys. This is Vijayawada Municipality Corporation.
And yeah, we are into a proper town now. Okay.
So guys, we are going to stop somewhere here, near here for breakfast. Okay, guys, I'm seeing a lot of good food stalls here, so let's stop somewhere here only. This is like a small village inside the city. Like you can see, it is so minimal. Guys, this is like a small, a really cute village inside the city. Guys, Undavali Caves are 2 kilometers from here. Guys, these are the rivers that join let's see if we are able to get breakfast. It's really crowded area, guys. You'll get a lot of good restaurants here. Wow, this is like a pakka, you know, market area. So we entered the market area, guys. There are restaurants for dosas, idlis and all those things. So let's see which one is the best. So I'm getting really good smell of bondas here. Okay guys, let's ask what do they have here. So this is the menu. I can't read anything, but I can see the prices here. What is this?
Bonda.
Bondas.
With all the onions.
Wow guys.
There is plain bonda also, Mysore bonda. There are 2 varieties.
Okay. No, can we give one more bonda? Fine. So tasty guys, how's it?
Very nice. I think we need to have some chutney also with it, no?
Yeah, I think they have chutney there. Guys, we are super hungry. We are not waiting for them to serve.
Okay guys, so after this mixture is properly done, they add this already soaked
Mirchi, chili.
Yeah, those are already soaked.
So they're making their own customized masala for their dishes.
Completely customized thing. They are mixing with chilies and making it more tasty and all.
Guys, this is so good. She's going to make dosa, guys. Guys, I asked her to make roast with a lot of ghee. Wow. Guys. Yeah, she's customizing it.
Yeah.
This is Uttapam in our places. Yeah, Uttapam with onion and all.
Clearly.
Guys, she's asking for more bonda out here. Wow.
We already have the experience.
Wow. Guys, one dosa, one is ready.
Due to the oil bubbling.
Guys, she's added more ghee.
Shit. Oh my god, that was so nice.
Everyone is super hungry.
We started eating. How is the dosha, guys?
Wow, guys. Wow, guys.
Yeah.
This is.
Wait. Guys, this is so hot. Let me taste it.
This one, no, this chutney, this ghee and that part.
Yeah. Actually, the specialty is this one.
Fully having. Myrig is fighting in one plate. There are 2 plates. Smart move, guys. Smart move.
Yummy, guys. Yummy.
You have to have it with the chili powder and a lot of ghee. I mean, that's the best combination,
Oh
guys.
my god.
And onion dosha is
If
the
you
best.
come to Andhra, you should never miss this mixture, okay?
He just took it all. He just took the whole. It's fine. It's fine. You can take more. This is so good.
Amazing, guys.
So good.
Yeah, this is here. We can have it.
I would
Guys,
say
more
it's
ghee,
the
more ghee.
perfect dosa, the very perfect
is the
smooth dosa
perfect.
you will get. But this is the homemade perfection, guys. Imperfectly perfect.
Wow.
That's the imperfections are always perfect. Yeah, it should have imperfections, which actually says that it's homemade thing. It's not like very
Can't be
perfect.
completely perfect.
Guys, this is the best. Didn't know there is this karampudi.
Generally, this karam podi is from shop. They bought it from shop. But generally at home, they mix green chilies, red chilies, curry leaves and dried garlic and lot of the spices, and they will make it fine for chapatis. I mean,
Oh, what all
idlis.
in rice also you will have this karampudi.
We can have it with rice. We can have it with breakfast.
That's a
we can
really
have
great,
it with everything.
Andhra cuisine that we didn't know.
I think
Yeah.
this is the chili powder we are adding.
Especially eat it with
Gullo
idli.
chili powder.
Amazing. It will melt in your
You
mouth.
don't need a chutney, no?
No need of chutney.
No need of chutney, guys.
Chutney
Just
is
that.
secondary.
Amazing. Okay.
So if anyone want to eat that thing in Guntur, Vijayawada, please ask for Shetty Garu stall and have this lemon
Chetty
idli.
Garu stall.
Yeah.
Guys, Chetty Garu idli stall, you will get all varieties of idli. Everyone is here like waiting for idli.
That's so good.
Okay guys, we are in a bad timing. We are not able to go there. We have to reach Araku Valley. So we are getting out from there. So guys, bye.